Let's make pizza. In a small bowl, add warm water, yeast, and sugar, then leave it until foamy. And in a bigger bowl, add flour and salt. Mix together and then make a well. Add the olive oil and the bloomed yeast. Using a spoon, mix together and form a rough dough using hand. Then transfer to a floured surface. Set your timer to 10 minutes and begin kneading. You should knead until the dough becomes smooth and soft. Transfer the dough to a greased bowl and cover for an hour or up to 24 hours. So this is after 8 hours. Transfer to a floured surface again and knead for about a minute. Form into a ball and divide into 4. Each part makes a pizza. Cover the dough and prepare your toppings. I use chicken, so fry seasoned chicken until done. And bacon as well. At this point, put on your oven to the highest heat and then back to the dough. Poke fingers on the dough until bubbles begin to form. Do not deflate, then start stretching. Using a pizza pan, place the stretched dough and then begin to add toppings. First the sauce, I use barbecue sauce. You can use tomato sauce. Then the cheese, chicken, cheese again, and bacon. You can choose to add the bacon after baking. Now transfer to the preheated oven and bake for 15 minutes. Your pizza is ready. Enjoy!